Hi, I'm Percy of Persidios. Today, we will be talking about why wearing a face mask is important. Wearing a face mask is important. Wearing a face mask will help prevent the spread of infection and prevent the individual from contracting any airborne germs. When someone coughs, talks, sneezes, they could release germs into the air, and that may infect others nearby. Face masks are part of an infection control strategy to eliminate cross-contamination. How should your face mask be worn? Always wash your hands with soap and water before touching the mask. So, I have washed my hands with soap and water already. Next, remove the mask from the dispenser or box and make sure the mask do not have any holes or tears. So we have to inspect the mask for holes or tears. So this is okay. Next, make sure you determine which side is the top and which side is the front so you can wear the mask properly. So determine which side is the top. This is the top and this is the front. Face mask with ear loops. Hold by their loops and put loops around each ear. Pull the mask over your mouth and chin. So that is the right way of wearing the mask. Face mask with bands. Hold the mask to your nose and pull the top strap over the crown of your head and pull the bottom strap over your head so it is at the nape of your neck. So this is the right way of wearing face mask with bands.